Hello student, today we are going to discuss Mendeleev's periodic table. Now the year 1869, it's a year of great achievements. Till that year 63 elements were discovered. Now Mendeleev, a scientist, one day he started writing elements with their atomic mass on his wall, one of his wall, such as lithium with 7, iron 55, potassium 39, phosphorus 31, zinc 65, gold 197. And after that he started arranging the elements according to increasing order of their atomic masses. And then he encircled the elements with same properties with same color. For example, if it is lithium, parrot, then it is sodium, potassium. Beryllium, then it is magnesium, calcium. Boron with aluminium, then it's carbon, silicon. This is nitrogen, phosphorus. Oxygen, then it is sulfur. And fluorine, it comes with the same color as that of chlorine. After this, he arranged the elements according to its increasing order of atomic masses together with same properties. For example, this is lithium, same properties, sodium and potassium. Beryllium, same properties, magnesium and calcium. Boron, same properties, aluminium, carbon, silicon. Nitrogen and phosphorus show same properties. Oxygen and sulfur showed same properties. So in this way, he divided these elements into 8 columns. And he said that every 8th element, it showed the same properties. So he gave his law. What is his law? So what is Mendeleev's periodic law? According to this law, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. That means when the elements are arranged according to the increasing order of their atomic mass, every 8th element is going to show the same properties. So he arranged the elements into 8 vertical columns. Vertical columns, he called them groups, and 7 horizontal column, he called them periods. Periods and groups. And he started arranging the elements. So this is hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Potassium, calcium. All was okay till calcium. But the next element was scandium with 45. He saw that scandium did not show the properties of boron and aluminium. And even it did not show the properties of carbon and silicon, which are right to it. So what he did? He placed scandium just right to the boron and aluminium in the same group, but not under aluminium, in the same group. So he now divided the group into 2 subgroups A and B. So he placed scandium in subgroup B. And he just told the element that was below aluminium, it was still to discovered, and he even predicted the properties of this element also. So he said this element as Eka aluminium, below aluminium. Eka means 1 step below. So 1 step below aluminium. He predicted the mass. Now the mass between zinc and arsenic, 65 and 75. So he said the element that was to be discovered, it has mass 68. The formula of its oxide, even he predicted that also. The formula of that oxide is, it is E2O3 and chloride ECl3. Year later, a French chemist discovered gallium. He named that gallium after historical name of France. Now this gallium is with mass 69.7. That is approximately similar to 68 predicted by Mendeleev. So he just predicted the other undiscovered element, predicted the properties for them also. Eka silicon, that was later on discovered as germanium. Now let me compare the properties of these elements with the predicted properties of Mendeleev. So this is Eka aluminium, predicted 68 atomic mass, its mass is 69.7. Formula predicted oxide EO2, it is Ga2O3. Chloride ECl4, it is Ga. ECl3, it is GaCl3. Same way germanium. Predicted mass was 72, whereas when it discovered, the mass is 72.6. Formula of oxide EO2. EO2, so germanium was GeO2. Formula of chloride is ECl4, germanium chloride GeCl4. So this was a great achievement that he left the spaces for the undiscovered ones, and he even predicted the properties of these undiscovered elements. So let us see what are the merits. What are the merits of Mendeleev? So what are the merits of Mendeleev? First of all, grouping of elements. So he grouped the elements in 8 groups. Then he left the gaps for undiscovered elements. A brilliant idea. He even predicted the properties of undiscovered elements. Now he was able to correct atomic masses of some elements. Now previously, mass of beryllium was 13. It was 13. But when he arranged the beryllium, the mass comes 9. He even gave correct position to some elements. For example, cobalt. Now this cobalt has atomic mass actually 58.6, whereas nickel has 58.9. We took both 59 and 59. So cobalt had to come before nickel, but it is placed. Cobalt has to come after nickel, but it is placed before nickel. Why? He placed the elements according to the similarities with the other elements. Cobalt shows same properties as these elements, whereas nickel shows same properties as these palladium and platinum. Similarly, all the elements in the same group which are present in subgroup B, they show same properties, and which are present in subgroup A, they show same properties. This was a great achievement. Though he did not get Nobel Prize, but year after, an element was discovered that named after Mendeleev. This is MD, symbol is MD with atomic number 101, and the name was given Mendeleevium. So that was a great for Mendeleev. A great respect given to the Mendeleev. So this periodic table went well so many years, but it has some demerits also. Now what are the demerits? Anomalous pairs. So cobalt and nickel, though cobalt is supposed to be after nickel, but it is before nickel. Position of hydrogen. Now this hydrogen does not show any property like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, as it is only placed because it is number 1, so it is placed with these elements. But this only become a base for the next discovery, that why hydrogen is placed with lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium, etc. Position of isotopes. He could not explain position of isotopes. He said the elements according to the increasing number of atomic mass they are placed. But hydrogen has 3 isotopes with different mass number. He kept his mouth. He remained quiet according to for the isotopes of hydrogen. Then separation of chemically similar elements. So some elements show same properties such as platinum and gold, but they are polar apart. They are separated from each other. And some with dissimilar properties, they were placed in the same group. For example, sodium, potassium, highly reactive, they are placed with copper, silver, gold. That was not explained and it became a failure for the Mendeleev. Then no relationship with electronic arrangement. The electron arrangement, he did not discuss anything about the electron arrangement or the relationship between the electron arrangement of these elements. But even then, the Mendeleev periodic table is considered as a great achievement in the field of periodic table. That is why Mendeleev is known as father of periodic table. Thank you.